Hi guys, just Keith here. Somebody in the group mentioned about wanting to link to Wikipedia with their locations. They couldn't, because if you have a location with like sort of two words, you couldn't sort of put the underscore in or anything like that. Well, I've written a little script which basically will do that for you. Just a little JavaScript, nothing fancy. Basically, this is it here. Now, one of the important bits is if you've got your spinning turned on, then you need that bit there, and then you need that bit there. Because all that basically is telling is anything between that and that does not want to be treated as syntax. Okay? This is not syntax. If you forget them, then basically it won't work properly. It'll get messed with the syntax. So you've got the function, you pass in the URL string, so up to the first slash where you want to put yours. You'll see as I run it. You pass the city in, and you pass the separator that you want in. Okay? What will happen is this will replace the spaces with the separator and makes it lowercase. So if you don't want that to be made lowercase, you want to leave it as it is, then just comment that out. I'll show you how to comment out in a second. But you can see you just put two lines like that. Then you concat it all together so that you get your actual URL string, your hyperlink, and then it returns it. Okay? These alerts here, I've left them in for now because just so I can show you what's happening. And what I'll do, I'll actually leave them in the code, we comment them out, so when you run them, you don't actually see them. But I'll leave them there just in case anybody wants to play and tweak it to do things what they want to do. Okay, just make it easier to be able to see what's going on. So that's the code. Now this bit of code needs to go in the head section of your magic page. You can also put it in the head section of your other pages if you want to do this type of thing on them as well. Okay, but you'll need something like add func to head sort of plugin. So this is it here. So it's just in here, from there to there. That's it. Okay. So look at that. Now, in your actual magic page, in here I've got two areas where I'm going to put links in. One's going to be an underscore, one's going to be a hyphen. Okay. So in this text here, I've just got the text, underscore link goes here, and I've got this span. Now this bit's important because that there, underscore link, tells the function where to find this. Okay, so that's where the actual hyperlink is going to be placed. Okay, in between that span thing. So you got to make sure, if you're doing two or more like I've got here, you are going to have to make sure that these are all unique names. Otherwise, the last one will just overwrite the first one. Okay, so they've got to be unique. And then when you come down here, you do this document get element ID, unique name which links to that one. You can put these scripts anywhere you want. You don't need to have them underneath. You can put them at the bottom, but while you're testing it, I would put them together so you can see what they are. Once you've got it, you can put them at the bottom. It doesn't really matter where you put them. But look for underscore link, and then it calls my function. And the first one is passing it to Wikipedia. Yep, that's the URL. It's passing the location in, and it's passing in that you want an underscore. Okay. So the second one, this one is called hyphen link, and we've got hyphen link in here. So this one again, but this time it's passing in mydomain.com. It's passing in the same location, and it's passing in hyphen this time. Okay. So that's the bit of code. These bits of code will be in a file in the file section. So now let's run it. and see what happens. So let's find rise car. We go to rise car, it comes in, the city I've picked is rise car. With the separator added, it's rise car, rise underscore car. Convert it to lowercase and returns this string here, which is it. Here wiki, rise car, rise car. Okay, so rise car again. This time we've got a hyphen, lowercase with a hyphen, string with a hyphen. Okay, so there you go. If you click on them, you'll see in the bottom left, I've got rise underscore car, and in the bottom left again, I've got rise hyphen car. So that's how you do it. That's how you link to other things using a bit of JavaScript. Hope that was helpful, guys. Catch you later. Bye.